What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. My day is just beginning. I'm going to work now. And I wanted to talk to you guys about commuting on a GROM. I just finished my work day and I'm commuting back home. And I just wanted to talk to you about commuting on the GROM. Is the GROM a good commuter bike? Well, I'm just gonna say it. Yes, of course it is. I think this bike is quite good for commuting because you can filter with this bike through places that you couldn't filter with a normal size bike. This bike is a good commuter bike from an economic point of view as well. And I'm going to talk specifically about fuel economy because this bike gets really good fuel economy right now. I am doing 129.3 miles to the gallon, and believe me, I am not really riding economically. This bike has a 6-liter tank or a 1.3 gallon tank or 1.6 gallon tank if we take US gallons, and you can get over 200 miles to the tank, which is very good, especially considering the price of fuel these days. So I figured out that with 10 pounds I can fill up this tank and it would last me to go to work and back for a whole month. And another thing that's good for the economic point of view is that this bike is really cheap to maintain. And because it's a Honda, you would not be left stranded on the side of the road, which is really good when you're trying to come and go to work. Because this bike has just a 125cc single-cylinder engine, it's really economical to service as well. And because it's such a small bike, it's really easy to just, leave it anywhere, park it anywhere, you can find a spot. And don't think that this bike is only good for commuting if you live and work in the same city. If you have like single lane roads like this, like I'm going 60 and this is the maximum speed that you can go on these roads, and I could go a bit quicker but not by much. I can do like 65. But that being said, I am keeping up with traffic. You would keep up with traffic on A roads around the UK. I wouldn't feel comfortable on motorways with this bike because it really can't do much more. It actually struggles after 60. You can do 65, but that's kind of it. So because on the dual carriageway, on the motorways, even though you are allowed on one of these if you have a full license, you can't really power out of trouble if a situation requires it. Don't really have much light left here. I hope this video is gonna turn out looking good. And this is my personal opinion of commuting this bike. I think it's a brilliant commuter bike. Like I said, you can filter with this bike. If you live in a big city, you can filter with this bike through gaps that you couldn't on a bigger bike. I get with this bike through gaps that I would never fit either on my Rebel or the CB500. Just like that. It's not tiring to ride, it's just fun. And just think how much fun you would have riding this every day to work. You would, and you would just show up to work and just be happy because you came on this. And it's as simple as that. Like, how much more can you want? And then when you go home, anything that, you know, if anything pissed you off at work, which sometimes happens, you know, with some people more than others, but you get on this and you go back home and you end up having a smile on your face. And just for that, I think you should commute on GROM. You can have so much fun on a GROM, and that's the new motto. If you guys like my video, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, I do appreciate you being subscribed, but like and comment. And being such a small bike, you really can't carry that much weight with you. So for a cargo point of view, if you require things to carry with you at work, if it's not just, you know, something that would easily fit in a backpack, I would recommend a bike with panniers. That was a nice Lambo, wasn't it? So my average was 129.3 when I left work, and now it's 126. It's actually getting better, if that's possible. It's really good. It's really good. I'm telling you, this bike uses so little fuel. You're not gonna arrive at work aching or tired because this bike is really, really comfortable. See, from my perspective, this bike is a good commuter bike because, to be honest, I don't work very far from where I live. The distance between my house and my place of work is around 5 miles, just a little bit over 5 miles. And I am fortunate to work quite close. So, is the GROM a good commuter bike? Well, look at the traffic. Look, I'm not sitting in traffic, am I? So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, I do appreciate you being subscribed and watching my videos, and see you on the next one.